Hey, Lily. Good morning. How's your day so far?
Hey, David. Good morning. My day is going pretty well. I just had some coffee and I'm trying to wake up properly. How about you?
Same here. Coffee is a lifesaver in the morning. I had 2 cups already.
Wow, 2 cups. You really need it. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, I thought we could talk about something super useful for beginners. How to talk about yourself in English. Simple introductions, like when you meet someone for the first time.
Oh, that's perfect. I think everyone struggles with this at first. Even I do sometimes.
Exactly. So let's start like we're meeting for the first time.
Okay, I'll try. Hi, I'm Lily.
Hi, Lily. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David.
See? That was easy.
Yes, but what do I say next? Just nice to meet you and that's it?
No, not really. Usually after saying your name, people like to say a little more about themselves. For example, where you are from, your job, or your hobbies.
Oh, okay. So I can say something like, I'm from New York?
Perfect. And you can add a little more, like, I'm from New York and I love reading books.
I see. That's simple enough.
Yes. And don't worry about making it perfect. Just talk slowly and clearly. People will understand you.
Okay, let me try. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I love reading books and drinking coffee, and I'm a teacher.
Wow, that sounds great. Very natural.
Thanks. But David, what if I want to talk about my job too?
Oh, yes. You can just add one sentence, like, I'm a teacher, or I work in a cafe, whatever you do.
Okay, so I can say, Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I love reading books and drinking coffee, and I'm a teacher.
Perfect. That's a full introduction already. And don't forget to ask a question too.
A question like, and you?
Exactly. It's very polite. For example, after you talk about yourself, you can say, what about you? Or, and you?
Oh, okay. So after my introduction, I can say, what about you?
Yes. And then the other person will tell you about themselves.
Got it. Let's practice. You go first.
All right. Hi, I'm David. I'm from California. I love playing basketball and watching movies, and I work as a software developer. What about you?
Hi, David. I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I love reading books and drinking coffee, and I'm a teacher.
Awesome. That was really good, Lily. Very natural.
Thanks. But David, I sometimes feel nervous when I talk about myself.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. It's normal. Many beginners feel the same. But the key is to keep it simple. Short sentences are easier.
That makes sense. So I shouldn't try to say too much at once?
Exactly. One idea at a time. For example, first your name, then where you are from, then your job, then your hobbies, and finally ask a question.
Oh, okay. So I can say something like, I'm from New York?
Perfect. And you can add a little more, like, I'm from New York and I love reading books.
I see. That's simple enough.
Yes. And don't worry about making it perfect. Just talk slowly and clearly. People will understand you.
Okay, let me try. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I love reading books and drinking coffee.
Wow, that sounds great. Very natural.
Thanks. But David, can we add something about our family? Sometimes people ask that too.
Oh yes, that's very common. You can say one simple sentence, like, I have one brother, or I have 2 sisters.
Okay, let me try. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I'm a teacher. I love reading books. I have one brother. And you?
Perfect. Very natural. See, you're already doing great.
Thanks. But David, sometimes I also want to talk about my favorite food or music. Is that too much?
Not at all. You can add one more small thing. But remember, each sentence should be short. For example, I love pizza or I love pop music.
Oh, okay. So I can say, hi, I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I'm a teacher. I love reading books. I have one brother. I love pizza. And you?
Perfect.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Great. So now let's talk about asking questions. It's very important to make a conversation.
Right. Like, what about you?
Yes, exactly. You can also ask more questions like, where are you from? Or what do you do? Or what are your hobbies?
Oh, okay. So if someone says, hi, I'm David. I'm from California. I'm a software developer. I love basketball and movies. I can say,
Yes.
nice to meet you, David. I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I'm a teacher. I love reading books and drinking coffee. And what about you?
Perfect. That's exactly how real people talk.
This is fun. But David, what if I forget a word? Like, I don't know how to say my hobby.
Oh, that happens all the time. Don't worry. You can just say, I like, and then describe it in a simple way. Or you can say, I don't know the word in English, but I like, and then explain.
Oh, okay. So I can just explain in simple words.
Exactly. That's how beginners get better. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. People will understand you.
Okay, let's try a full conversation now.
Sure, I'll start. Hi, I'm David. I'm from California. I'm a software developer. I love playing basketball and movies. I have one sister, and you.
Hi, David. I'm Lily. I'm from New York. I'm a teacher. I love reading books and drinking coffee. I have one brother. I love pizza. What about you?
Nice. I love pizza too. And I also like basketball.
That's funny. So, do you play basketball every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 or 4 times a week. What about you? Do you like any sports?
I like walking and sometimes yoga, but I'm not very good at sports.
That's okay. Walking is great exercise, and yoga is very relaxing.
Yes, I like it because it makes me calm after work.
Me too. I should try yoga sometime.
You should. It's fun.
Okay, so now we've practiced talking about names, jobs, hobbies, family, and asking questions.
Yes, and I feel more confident now.
That's great. And remember, the key is to speak slowly and don't worry about mistakes.
Right. Short sentences, simple words, and ask questions. Got it.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Even just practicing in front of a mirror is helpful.
Oh, I never tried that. I will today.
Good idea. And you can also practice with friends or even with your phone. Record yourself.
That's smart. I will try that.
Awesome. So, any final tips for beginners who want to talk about themselves?
I think don't worry about being perfect. Speak slowly, use simple sentences, and ask questions.
Yes, and have fun. Talking about yourself can be very easy and fun if you just relax.
Yes, I feel ready to meet new people in English now.
That's the spirit. You're ready, Lily.
Thank you, David. You're a great teacher.
And you're a great student.
Okay, so let's finish with one sentence together.
Sure.
Talking about yourself in English can be simple, fun, and easy if you practice every day.
Perfect.
Great ending.
All right. See you next time.
Bye.